Interested in something that completely revolutionizes the way guests experience museums? Brown Innovation's directional speakers. Here is why these incredible speakers should be a staple in every museum exhibit that requires audio. Unlike traditional speakers that blast sound in all directions, directional speakers are designed to focus sound to a specific area. They create an auditory bubble that allows only certain attendees to hear the audio without disrupting the entire exhibit. Why use directional speakers? They enhance the overall visitor experience. Museums are places of learning and exploration. They should feel immersive. With Brown Innovation's directional speakers, you can create an audio experience that complements the visual display, making every exhibit unique and engaging. It's not just about enhancing the atmosphere, it's also about accessibility. Traditional audio guides can be cumbersome, often requiring visitors to hold devices, making them less hands-free or utilizing shared headphones which are easily damaged and are extremely unsanitary. With directional speakers, you can provide an audio experience that feels seamless and intuitive. Visitors might not even realize they're getting personal audio until they step outside that speaker's bubble. What sets Brown Innovation speakers apart from the rest? Other directional speaker manufacturers rely on ultrasonic or hypersonic frequencies to create an isolated field of audio. There is no low end or mid-range, leaving these speakers sounding thin and tinny. Additionally, ultrasonic frequencies produce high-energy sound waves. Sound emitted from these speakers will easily reflect off the floor, wall, or other hard surfaces. Brown Innovation's proprietary technology does not depend on ultrasonic frequencies to produce focused audio. This means that our speakers have superior sound quality compared to others on the market. It also allows us to limit the range of our directional speakers, which reduces the reflection and bleed found in ultrasonic speakers. Whether it's modern art, historical artifacts, or interactive installations, Brown Innovations offers a wide range of directional speakers perfectly suited for your exhibit. With options for both overhead, show sound domes and CT2424, and forward-facing speakers, show sonic beams, Brown Innovations has exactly what you need. They're not just limited to museums. Isolating audio is vital in places such as art galleries, science centers, historic parks, and visitor centers. They can elevate the guest experience in any space where storytelling through sound is essential. If you're a museum professional, exhibit designer, or AV technician, consider installing Brown Innovations directional speakers for your next exhibit. Not only do they enhance immersion and visitor experiences, but they create an environment where stories come alive. Contact us today to learn how we can enhance your visitor experience.